Clear, prop. Here comes the run-up.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel, directly supporting the Grumman Pilots Association. And holding in my hand in bright sunlight so that you can see it and the different connectors, this is a Bulkhead Spade Connector. You'll find these on the late 78s and 79 Tigers and Cheetahs in aircraft. This is normally where you hook in your nav lights, your wingtips, and also your tail cone. It's a Hayco DC68-2-2 connector. These are the quarter-inch spade connectors. So quarter-inch spade connectors go in here from the nav lights, and then on the back side into your airplane harness, quarter-inch spade connectors. These are only about a little over $1. They're available from Yankee Aviation. I know Sam Boyle was asking about these on the Grumman gang, and I told him that here they are. And so these are the ones that fit. It's a little over 0.6 hole. There are these little tabs right here in the very top, 2 of them, which grab the ring and hold it in when it goes through the bulkhead connector in the tail or in the wingtip. So if yours are getting in bad shape, you pretty much destroy them getting them out, but pull them out, hang on to the wires on the back side, and throw in some new ones if you need them. These connections are very critical to having your navigation lights work. So we hope you found this informative, and thanks for watching, and have a good day flying your drum.